Amaru na densa santimamo we betimi di endi chata de kwase wa santimamo a. Okay. And obi kan ofili kon oya comfortable to say ofili big. Ya Dr. Frank Amago hene ye no. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Hu bi da. Ye hu bi say da. Me na me MPP ni. Oga say me fiti pe kwa na be endi na me MPP ni. Me hu amamuo ni bi pen. Bo. Ye mpe we sabio na de ne pe. That him be oba president anya mo wa. Since that. Anya we na ye omampani dada yewra na na do dankwa. What 25 million contract at the man the bus.
I was a woman about the bag Ghana and CMTV so. But money so like your video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend on notification that next time. Videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Say me on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to for Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Madaroma. Now, but money so like your video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything. But you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can be there was a pound so. Now,
na si yasesa kotoka din ewe international airport so a ye dan ye de president Mahama free ball e picture beto eye Ashanti maswa eye interchange ayura president kofo na ye enne wa obehunu video we bia send ma Ashanti regional minister eye Frank Amako hene say me see I would debate him on any day if he is ready as regional minister ono a on set baby ebeko national television on mami date na me ni nshia member no 50 projects NPP started ye wa santimem ewie ye 1 2 3 up to 50 offered me de ni nyina be ma no e wa santimem in the last 8 years of NPP administration. Ashanti regional minister why ready me my ready train on any day he should come na me ne nko say 50 projects the NPP started and completed all of them in Ashanti region. I'm ready to debate him. Momo se monti ase say Ashanti regional minister akofa akado paints e de akokeka eye Asqua interchange na ya ba be kan ho asem monti ase me ka kire mo Asqua interchange na e wo hono NPP na he start ye ewie ye wura president kofo na ye ya owie na sa nipa na wo start wie ye a ono ofra santimem ye ntimi amfa ne picture anto ho president Mahama ofri bole bamboy a ono onim interchange no onim eho wa ene ye de ne picture aba beto ho na me pese me establish fact bi wa yeti kroma ma NDC fo ba ye ya omo ne si kotoka a ne din da ye international airport so omo sesan na si yasesa kotoka din e we ye international airport so a ye dan ye de president Mahama ofri bole e picture beto eye Ashanti maswa eye interchange ayura president kofo na ye kan asase me mose monti ase sa Ashanti regional minister person wodu obi picture to ho a eye swami interchange MPP aban start ye enne NDC mobile ade a na ekọ 40 mate so ede ko 2 no sa Ashanti regional minister pe baby di president Mahama picture to a onko wie eye swami interchange owia na what the president Mahama picture ato ho eno kra no ye ntantwe Ashanti regional minister baby Wayoosi ene won call for da so nam ekeka say ya save $25 million na MPP abreso ye the contract ne ma Akufo-Addo baba 25 million ena me ka kire sa Ashanti regional minister ne NDC ni bi owo Ghana etimi provide a document e kire say ye wura Akufo-Addo ne baba jankroma ye man a contract worth of $25 million me nkasa wo Ghana ha bio say NDC ni bia including Frank Amako no ya Ashanti regional minister etimi provide a contract document kire say ye wura Akufo-Addo ne baba jankroma ye man a contract worth of $25 million. I will stop talking. NDC for bi mo sorry amonye research mo mpanyimfo ni nya kan asem na na mu disu yo because mo de mafu enenam ne ya sanya journalist for bi mo wa santimem na o makwa akogina eye interchange aye penti se nipa na yade na mebusa wo ene sa minor project we na amako hene se wo ye we etimi ya regional minister ansa no nyuma na sa amako hene sa minor project we wo se wo na wo ye mo wabaso a ene wo MCs no came for no mo ande no mo ye MCs o mo Ashanti region se wo panyimu na wo ye Ashanti regional minister wo di penti ko penti ba bi na wo se e project e se e bo wabaso a ene wo MC for no mo nyino bi anya hwe obi ani wa ye bibi enti we NDC ni amesu hu video we send them Frank Amako no ye Ashanti regional minister say me say Ashanti region onye hu na me my ready say on any day I will debate him. On man the secretary entry crack and fambreme say that say yen share with TV station we me say from off head me man 50 projects the NPP started and completed all of them in Ashanti region. Man the bet makasa NPP ba Ashanti me anye bibia. Man the bet makasa asem. Uni muniyoma yeye no Ashanti me. Kohwe Akoma Dan University ye de ama. Bosomtwe guest ye de ama. Patase Police Hospital yaye. Aboa Kwatano su dualization road yaye. Atonsu Feyase road dualization yaye. Enti dia ben obi beka se Ashanti region NPP anye bibia. Eno na me say Amoakohene I am ready as regional minister. I am ready to meet him on any day to debate him. Say I will give him 50 projects the NPP started and completed all of them in Ashanti region.
It will be that. Where history fan that was.
Obeka say be a UDNDC.
Oh. Me na me MPP ni. Yes, I'm 50% be NDC. Na me MPP ni. Me hu amamu woni bi pen. Me hu regional ministers a won betena Ghana ha. Titu ya Ashanti me mu ha pen. Sadi ma wo ye ko so bi nsida. Anya we na ye mampani dada yewra na Addo Dankwa. Odi 25 million contract at the man the bason on fam peti a year because he say she ma bunu hedo mo ye. Ti sky e ko mo frey ho no mo a. Ka fi so ma sitinam an kosro. Ka ba kwa ni mu. Ka ba sa so mun kwan ka se. En so yina ya hunu bi. Regional minister na ba. Wa ma ye senior adwuma ho se da bi kuma odusu da ma. E bi nsida. Sa regional minister bia boss senior mu twai mo so mo boa ma santima ye neje e ko fom ti me ba be boa ma na koso ye hunu bi da ade panfo kan mu nyina bom cha se aduma bia wo santima mu obi papa ne try say oba unite obi a na obi atime ye aduma ma santima tumpo ye mpe we sabio na de ne pe ta aduma ne papa no de
obo aduma
inim say nyame na kan ye wura isa si John Dramani Mahama kuma ene ma oyi ni ma ye
go force the way we nyina hunya ye won niam beble wa Ashanti region so hwe so ye na we mu ordinam social media na bia social media so ojan no ye adwuma o te sansam na
enam wa wo so ana ko kotokuom bridge bia na asai wuntimi mfa so abatan ko awo so mo ho tire wo mo wunti ko hwe ba ya ko ye sa begino anya ni mani bia yen share report run about ayi bon kan kase bia na da hono mo a ye wo ye nyuma ntero de akoko basa se anya kroma freda what you say che so obi anwo oni anya wono ani ntino wonyi ntino de wo ya na ye freda but ye dem paibo anya gukudu ota na chi se do ye bia no do ti bia on fona sa case no nto onye na djuma ya on to aso
now share President John Dramani Mahama ye ka se Ghana ha omo a onim omo a ya brother Wayoosi de oka hu oba ye nya se bia wonim no wo hwe na mamuo na ade to previous na wa hwe ko se
on say Aboa odwana Aboa ponchen obakunte ko na chi ansa na osan ba ana bibia nso aye nto aso mienu bia na ababio the word ababio ehu
okay
what you say yana na pem so yebo ni ana ya mo emu asikakra onso wasan ba biem to hunya mapa wo ye na Asante mamu a ntenya me wan say yura John Dramani Mahama okoya na waba back no yen hwe dwuma wo ye
yura Mahama so ni mu ya onko ni krombole no onkonkosi interchange ni bi wo ho owi a na ye de picture atare ho Ashanti regional minister Frank Amoakohene se ye mo na baso ye sanse wa ya ade because wa kope paint e de aba be painti e ye interchange a yura president Kofo ene start ye ewie ye in 2007 na me bibi anya me ya say ene Ashanti regional minister because of mischief interchange a yewura president Kofo na ye no wo de yewura president Mahama picture e na aba bebo ho enti ono akora wo ye Gen Z ono emra 2007 yewura president Kofo yes interchange we na ebia sa akora na afi no maame enyem no anase yawo no be 2 years ni no akora ni pia bonten a ohu picture we obeka se yewura president Mahama na ayede aye wa abra yewura president Mahama onim ehon wa na se yese yete oman mu ni ye promote culture de a adanti na yen kyerem na yen ma akora Gen Z fo ni hunu se sa askwa interchange ya enam ha ya ene Amoakohene akope paint ababa painti hu a wose ye mo na baso no eye NPP aban yewura president Kofo enesi yo se wo picture bi de tare ho de a ene enka yese yewura president Kofo picture na de tare ho because onu na see ya wo ye den o wie ye Say ye pe picture the atare ho a enye Yewura Mahama. Yewura Mahama so onimu ya. Onko de kurombole. No onko si interchange ni bi wo ho. Owi a na ye de picture atare ho. And easy for the see who when you said modern pictures, baba tare project MPP aban na ayeden. Aye. Na me de me ya ne say, saade we nyina no wase nyankofo bi no mu defend am akohene. Aden ya waya ade against da. Adi as regional minister, we nya ade a ye betima aka say waya ese ye bona kaso. Because adwuma we me kwa me Japan wa medina hai. Me ya metima akwa kosuki fans. Na kope paint na dia ba be paint o say me so ma ya ade. Ne enya journalist we bi mu a omo di omafu no omanu achi. No ma ba be gina ha say ye mo na baso because waya ade because of kakra e dia manadi. E dia be na enkoso sa. We should get serious as a country. Yes, in Chrome school now about paint or my idea or my show more talent. And yet, Yamasa and Crown or Monso more SHS one. Our Monsono or my electrical students and all. Young for Monco so for life. Interchanging us from a Cambridge, Suntreso, Sad Cosia Boa, street right away in a bien way, Juma. Into young fast high electrical students and so alcohol. Now Monsono and fix it and yes, street light because almost electrical students almost a yard. Say yes, yeah, more baswa and crana. Oh, my baby is painting where I can. You must say, a young wine and mass and crana school free. I and the young almost on passo. And non as all your mind by panel to one argument who say MPP are buying and a yard buying or no or into the future. Nansan Cananado and 4 man free SHS. Ah, Massa Uncle, your man free JHS ama and come up will be home up for. And I'm going to be idea way now they see a crazy because idea way a DC for Juma. A assemblyman for Juma. So, Papa Siki fans, Akope paint, and the Abani, the Ababa painty project. You are President Kofo, and people are buying a year, and why are they? Nay, we are, yes, and young Kofo, Yamfa Mahama picture, and Taron, Wabra, yes, you promote to culture. You are President Kofo, I will see side interchange with Ashanti on a static project New Year, on the intimate the picture more. Many of them Ghana for mommy answering who say, and your man NDC for you in a flakadam. And for the optics, or when you be before phobia, and tell my coin, I did wait Nadia why I see amount credits ever.
So, and trying propaganda NDC for especially Samaj and Fini John Jenapo. A Dr. Baomia for 3 solid years. Contom points and some any more one more carton as with the good and more as saying in the chain aboso. For 3 solid years about multi-purpose that my year or Pualugu and no pay. Within 1 minute, Yankopon at the expose NDC for, or the go many more as what NDC for home to Mamma Yasin and himself, NDC for Jenny Papa, NDC for 3 moves, NDC for ye be different, NDC nibeting your kumusun kumukra, ekumunipedia, NDC nibeting Yachira Samatos, while we want to be any ye da. That is what they did to Dr. Baumia, but I'm not pay. Yankopon, you almost 1 hand. And now, John Jenapo. Energy Minister call Parliament Assurance Committee and honorable editing Busane say more opposition. I must say Dr. Baomiani MPP for Abo Pualugu multi-purpose dam project in Mukrono. And then so I have come to realize that NDC as a party, naturally, organically, originally, more attracting Kwasia for. Say be more muntimin use so mad, your more low IQ. And party so deliberately it take it time and make it conscious effort to recruit too. Say be more Jimmy, more social media, me account kwasiasem. No more train you, you are no more to social media say, or maybe at time no more can some phone. And find someone for pussy about NDC party near NDC by now, enko ye because now be a video be an amateur how I NDC are buying in 1 year pay. About $11.39 billion US. Ye nimu ni omo de aye na message obenya aboche na wako video nimu na wa share comment section hono na NDC for na omo be comment ye no omo kae ebi se NDC mbo obesia da ebi kra say menchire bank ko a NDC aban ne bo obesia ebi nso timi kan say the entire 2025 no NDC aban na amfa any loan agreement and call parliament for approval anti omo mbo obesia da che say ignorant comment that say be yes, be names. Comment akoda onim hwekra make it say Jimmy sa. But you see, we free education am dey ba mom. This is the last time I will do this. Inti muntie na muntie ni. Most NDC more besia that since I'm mobile bem. But few weeks ago, Atofo Senior Finance Minister can say under this useless NDC government, so mo betimi atua government workers kakra na just o makwa akobo besia. Now in 1 year, we bought 17 billion Ghana cedis. Eddie tria abaya juma for a tria pay. That's it, like paying of government workers' salary. 17 billion Ghana cedis converted by US dollars. We are talking about somewhere 1.7 billion US dollars. But that is not even the point. The Bible tell how NDC are buying about 11.9 billion US dollars a car. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Akufo-Addo efiri abem. Na your debt stock and number 48